Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with Magic Mathematics. This is our first video of chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this video we will discuss the introduction part, or what is linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables, and types of solutions it can have. And we will find the solutions of linear equations in two variables in the next videos by using graphical or algebraic methods. Okay, so let's discuss about this. First of all, what is linear equation in two variables? Let's see here. Any equation of the form ax plus by plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b not equal to 0. This is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay, let's see examples here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, or other example is x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Both are the examples of linear equation in two variables. Note that here it is given a note for you all. Just remember it, that every solution of a linear equation in two variable is a point on the line representing it. Okay, what I mean to you, let me show. See here, it is given. Let me zoom it. It is given point P. Okay, 0 on x-axis and 5 on y-axis. Let's see here, it is Q, 4 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis, and it is a line representing the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, so every point on the line representing a solution of linear equation. Okay, so let's go further. What is pair of linear equations in two variables? Two linear equations in the same variables x and y are called pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, its form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These equations are the form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Remember it. Okay, types of solutions of pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's see here about types of solutions of pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, let's see here. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, this given equation. Here given the equations, two linear equations or pair of linear equations. By comparing this, we can find the zero solutions of a polynomial of real linear equations. Okay, so if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines showing this or lines show these equations must intersect each other and can have one solution, or you can say that unique solution. Okay, and if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines show these polynomials must coincide with each other or coincide with each other, and then the solutions must have many, and then the equations must have many solutions. Okay, another form is that if a1 by a2 is equal to 0 but b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines show up these polynomials must be parallels and can have no solution at all. Okay, so 1 and 2 equations means the earlier two are called the consistent pair of solutions or linear equations, and third pair is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. Why? Let's see about consistent pair of linear equations and inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, first of all, consistent pair of linear equations. What are these type of linear equations? So a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y having at least one zeros are called consistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so in the earlier two, if we can see that in earlier two they have one or many solutions, so they are consistent. Okay, and what is inconsistent pair of linear equations? So pair of linear equations in two variables having no solution at all is called inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, So see here, in the third, the lines are parallel and there are no solutions at all. So this equation is inconsistent. If you want to take example, let's take. I'm giving you some example, okay? See here, I have given you some examples. See here, 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 4x plus 9y plus 6 is equal to 0 are two given pair of linear equations in two variables. Here we can find that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It means 2 by 4 is not equal to 3 by 9. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 and 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3. Both are not equal. So the pair of linear equations, this pair of linear equation must have unique solution. Okay, and see here another example. 4x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. 8x plus 18y plus 14 is equal to 0. By comparing a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, c is equal to c1 by c2, we can get 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here all are equal. So this pair of linear equation must have many solutions. So these both pair of linear equations, or these both are called consistent pair of linear equations. Okay, see here, these both are called consistent pair of linear equations. And the third is given that 9x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, and 8x plus 8y plus 9 is equal to 0. By comparing this, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. We can get a1 by a2 means 1 by 2, b1 by b2 means 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 means 5 by 9. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 means 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 but not equal to 5 by 9. So this pair of linear equation must not have any solution. Okay, so it is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. So I think you have no doubt in consistent and in finding consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so thanks for watching my videos. In the next video we will start the new topic, or we can say that we can find the solutions of linear equations in two variables. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.